Hey everybody, welcome back to my Bake Like a Pro YouTube channel. In today's really fun video, we're going to be playing again with chocolate. I have some tempered dark chocolate here, a paintbrush, and a little fancy mold. And this here is a little rabbit. I'm using a smaller brush because this little mold is on the smaller side, so I want to have a little bit more control of where I'm painting. If you're in a professional chocolate shop, you're going to fill this mold, you're going to tap it to get the air bubbles out, and then you're going to empty it and then turn it upside down and let it rest on your work surface. But at home, this is just another way to do it, and it's not as messy. Okay, so that looks pretty good. So at this point, this is coating number 1. I'm going to let this sit here for about 10 minutes, and then I'm just going to redo this and do another coating on all of them just so that the shell is a little bit thicker. So I will do that, and then I'll come back when all of that's done. So this is ready to go. I'm just going to turn it over nice and easy, and then I'm going to give it a tap. And there's one. Let's give him a little slide over. And there we go. Perfect. So you can really see the nice job that the professional mold did. Look at that. And those are cute. And those are ready now to be assembled. Wow. For the last part of our video, we're going to assemble our Easter bunnies. I'm working on a stainless steel table, so this picks up heat really nicely. And I'm also using medical gloves. I'm going to grab the bottom and get that right on there. Just let that heat up a little bit. And that's good. Just you want to make sure that everything's melted a little bit, and then grab your upper piece and very slowly get them together. And then push them together. Make sure everything is aligned. And that looks pretty good. And then just try to grab it from the back and get that down. I'll pull this over so you can see that a little bit better. And there we have our first one done. You can see how easily the table cleans off. So this is a little trick. If you're working on a stainless steel table and you don't want to heat up a frying pan, this is a great way to go. I just want to make sure that I have enough heat in the table. As soon as you turn off the hairdryer, the table starts to cool very quickly. And grab that there and just right down. And just let it sit there for a second. Get your other piece ready to go. Once it's ready, get right underneath it. Flip it over. And then just take your time, line up the edges, nice and easy, then drop it down and try to get it into place as best that you can. And there we go, perfect. Try to grab it from the bottom. And there we go. But there we have them. Our little 3D Easter bunnies. You want to just let these sit for about 2 hours so they completely set up properly. And those are super, super cute. Look at that. All handmade. I hope you really enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you wish. And if you're on Facebook, you can check me out at facebook.com/BakeLikeAPro. So let's just tilt this up a little bit just to give you one last shot. There we have it. Hope you enjoyed my video, and I'll see you next time. And please subscribe to my BakeLikeAPro YouTube channel, and also click that notification bell to be alerted every time I upload a brand new video. If you made it this far, thank you very much for watching. On the screen now, you can choose a video to watch, or you can also click and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And thank you once again for taking time out of your day to watch my video. I really appreciate it.